Oh.
That's his mother.
What? Oh, hi. You're doing me upside down. That's very special. Is that good?
That's so cute.
Look at you, Drew.
He's got the reverse Barry head. Yeah!
What do you mean the reverse Barry?
He's got hair where Barry doesn't.
Oh, he doesn't have hair. Here he has hair in the front.
He's so excited.
He's been doing this noise the last couple of days. I have no idea where it's come from.
His brain. It's the cutest.
Oops.
Maybe it's squeezing out a poop.
It's doing something.
That is hysterical. Yeah! Good.
Never shuts the computer down.